Have you ever wondered what really makes a man fall in love? Is it your looks, your personality, or something deeper? Well, here's the truth. Men don't fall in love the way you might think. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how men fall in love and how you can create a deeper connection with the man in your life. Here's the thing. Men don't fall in love just because you're nice to them or because you're always there. It's not about playing hard to get or showering them with attention. In fact, it's way simpler than that. And I'm about to share the 3 key things that make a man truly fall in love. Ready? Let's dive in. Point 1. Emotional connection. First up, emotional connection. Men fall in love when they feel understood and appreciated for who they are, not just what they do. It's not about grand gestures or constant compliments. It's about those little moments where you show you get him, when he feels safe to open up and be vulnerable with you. That's when the magic happens. Ask him about his dreams, his fears, or even his favorite childhood memory. Show genuine interest and watch how he starts to see you as someone special. Point 2. Respect and admiration. Next up, respect and admiration. Men fall in love when they feel respected and admired. And no, I'm not talking about inflating his ego. I'm talking about acknowledging his efforts, his strengths, and his values. When a man feels like you truly see and appreciate him, he'll want to be closer to you. Simple things like saying, "I really admire how hard you work," or "You're so good at this," can make a huge difference. It's about making him feel valued. Point 3. Shared experiences. Finally, shared experiences. Men fall in love when they create memories with you. It's not about expensive dates or fancy trips. It's about the moments you share together, whether it's cooking a meal, going on a hike, or even just binge watching your favorite show. These shared experiences build a bond that goes beyond physical attraction. It's about creating a story together, one that he'll want to keep writing with you. So there you have it, the 3 key things that make a man fall in love: emotional connection, respect and admiration, and shared experiences. If you want to dive deeper into this topic, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more relationship tips. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know, what's one thing you've noticed about how men fall in love? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.